Good morning, students. Today's our topic is intramural and extramural activities or tournament. So first of all, we should know what is called intramural activities. The meaning of intramural activities. The activities which are performed within the campus of an institution are called intramural activities. In other words, we can say the whatever the games and the sports are organized inside the school campus are called intramural activities. The best example for the intramural activities are inter-class games in the sports, inter-house games in the sports, are conducted among the students inside the school campus is called intramural activities. Point number 2. The students of the other schools cannot participate in these tournaments. As we know, in the such types of intramural activities, only the school students are going to be participate, those who are studying in the same school. The other school of the students are not allowed to participate in such types of tournament. Now, the motto of the intramural and extramural activities. A game for all and each for a game is the motto of intramural or extramural activities. Now we will talk about the significance of intramural tournaments. The first point is importance for physical, mental, emotional and the social development of students. As we know, in the intramural activity, if they will participate, they can improve the physical, mental, emotional and the social development of one individual. Point number 2. The stress is lead on moral and ethic value. So if they will participate in the intramural activities and the games in the sports, their stress can be decreased and the moral value of the one individual can be improved more. Now point number 3. Necessary for the development of health of the children. As we know, if they will play games in the sports or they can participate in the intramural activities, their health can be improved. Their development of the physique will be more. Point number 4. Manage the aggression. As we know, if they will play in the intramural activities, they can very easily manage the stress level of the one individual. The diversion of the mind will be in the towards the games, so that when they will participate in the games in the sports in the intramural activities, they can reduce the stress or aggression. Point number 5. Provide the recreation. As we know, the students are very much interested to participate in the intramural activities and their interest will be more in the games and the sports. And this is the platform where they can enjoy the fun through the games. Point number 6. Provides the opportunity to the students to participate in the games and the sports. This is the platform where they can get the ample of the opportunity to participate in all the games and the sports inside the school campus. Point number 7. Help to develop the leadership quality among the students. As we know, once they will play any games in the sports, slowly they can improve the leadership quality among themselves. If they will become a captain of the teams, they can improve the leadership qualities among the students. Now, we will talk about the objective of intramural tournament. The first point is to provide the opportunity to the every students to participate in the games in the sports. As we know, this is the platform where all the students can participate in the games in the sports. This is one of the major objective of the intramural. All the students get the ample opportunity to participate in the tournament. As we know that generally the few students are get the chance to participate in the zonal level or CBC cluster level or district levels in the games and the sports. So this is the platform they can participate in the mass level students in the games and the sports. Point number 2, to develop the leadership qualities. These activities help the students to developing the leadership qualities among the students who are participating in the intramural games and the sports. Point number 3, to develop the feeling of cooperation. As we know, once they will selected in the different games and the sports, or they are going to play the matches among the other classmates, their feelings for the cooperation can be improved. In the game like condition, they will pass the ball to the teammates. The feeling of the cooperation will be more, or slowly they can very easily won the match. Point number 4, to provide the recreation. In the fact, the intramural activities provides a number of the opportunity for the recreation to all the students. The students participated in the intramural activities according to their interest, so that they can get the lots of fun, joy and the pleasure by participating in such types of tournament. Point number 5, to develop the feeling of sportsmanship. Sportsmanship means to show the respect to the opponents and the official, coaches and the etc. It also the means to be a very humble when they won the match. They are very polite and humble to with the coaches and the other opponents. Now point number 6, to provide the opportunity to learn the variety of the games and the skills. As we know, in the mass level games and the sports competitions, they will learn the lots of skills, technique and the rules and regulation of the games. To find the talented sports person. As we know, all the students cannot participate in the CBSE level, zonal level or national level. So this is the platform for them to select the best players for the school teams or for the national teams in the futures. So in the intramural is the activities where they can show the performance and selected in a national level or international level. Now point number 8, to provide the experience of the organization of the competition. As we know, if they will organize any games in the sports, the few students can get the experience of the organizing the such types of competitions. Now, activities for the intramural competitions. The major games, the volleyball, hockey, tennis, badminton, football, etc. Minor games, kho-kho, tag game, rolling, skating, sack race, etc. Creative activities, painting, drawing, making models, etc. Point number 4, combining activities, boxing, judo, taekwondo, karate, etc. These are the activities are there in the intramural games in the sports.